The iPhone Air actually doesn't feel like a gimmick. It offers pro-level performance and a powerful 48 megapixel camera along with a bright 6.5-inch display in a super thin and light design. The jury is out on the battery life, but overall this is a promising new iPhone design. The iPhone Air is one of those phones that you have to hold to believe. It is super thin and light. It feels super sturdy in your hands thanks to the titanium design. But I know what you are thinking. What about the compromises? There's not a ton here. You get a big and bright 6.5-inch OLED display, powerful A19 Pro chip, and a versatile 48 megapixel camera with 2x optical zoom. And Apple promises all the battery life too. Will be judged of that in our testing. There are some trade-offs when you compare the Air to the best phones. You don't get an ultra-wide lens, and the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max have better cameras. But for $999, the iPhone Air could hit that sweet spot for lots of buyers who want incredible portability paired with pro-ish performance. The iPhone Air starts at $999 for 256GB of storage. That's $100 more than iPhone 16 Plus that this model replaces in Apple's lineup. But that phone started with 128GB, so it is technically not a price hike. The iPhone Air is available for pre-orders September 12 and the release date is September 19. The iPhone Air is a contradiction in your hand, and I mean that in a good way. It feels almost impossibly thin and light, yet it also feels rock solid. Measuring 5.6mm, the iPhone Air is thinner than the Galaxy S25 Edge, and I could tell as I held them both side by side. But the Samsung phone is actually a bit lighter at 5.75 ounces versus 5.82 for the iPhone Air. Regardless, this phone almost disappears when you hold it with the side of the iPhone Air facing you. Despite this thinness, Apple promises a very durable design complete with a titanium frame. To help your investment last, the iPhone Air features a Ceramic Shield 2 front cover with 3x better scratch resistance, and the back also uses Ceramic Shield for 4x better resistance to cracks. In terms of colors, you can take your pick from space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. I am partial to the blue and white as they really highlight the thinness more. The iPhone Air is more than just another thin phone. It promises flagship level performance in a design that feels almost impossible. I am particularly impressed with how durable this handset feels, and I'm sure there will be lots of band tests coming out soon to put Apple's claim to the test. For me, the battery life of the iPhone Air will make or break this phone. It may not have the endurance to make our best phone battery life list, but the Air will have to last through most of your day to be worth $999.